Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to access stock market or financial data online. For that, you either need Microsoft 360, which is connected to internet, or you can open Google Sheets, where the codes are easier to apply. It can be done on Microsoft Excel, but the codes are longer and it takes time. So I will create an example. So you will start a start date. You will write a date from which you need data, and and in the two you can write a function that equal to today bracket open close, so that it will update every time you open an Excel file. Then you need a symbol for the stock market that you can get from Google Finance website. If you open Google Finance, you can see if you need any type. For example, I need AMD or any stock market. So there you can open that and see its symbol. Okay, so I found one of them is Nasdaq and Nasdaq column GWG. So you need to find the name, and then here I wrote a formula equal to Google Finance stock market link. All means you need all open, high, low, close, and volume data. C3 is the start time and C4 is the end time. And then write daily. If you need weekly, you can write weekly, or annually, it will update accordingly. So this, if when you save it, every time you open a file, even if it is after a day, the date will update automatically and it will give you the latest data. So if you write your date yourself, it will not update because the daily date is not changing. So this way you can get the data till present day. Like today is 28, but in that country it's the night right now, so it's 27 has not been finished yet. So it's 26th. So if I see tonight, I might get 27 data. So this way, and if I change the stock price, like if I can find some other example, like if I open Nifty 50, and let's see if what is the short name for that. You might have to explore the, like, if I can get HSI, let's see. So if I go HSI, so it will update and it will give you the data for HSI, or even or you can copy and get it on the next sheet. So let's say I need Sensex, SENSEX. When I press enter, it will give me the data for that. So this way, for the finance students, you can get your stock market data for daily, for any type of data that you need, and it will be updated technically every day. So hopefully it will help you to get the data for the stock markets and then do your analysis. Thank you very much. Bye.